Okay, so the piece that I was looking at was a secondary, so if this broke, I had a second one. So I do not have to put that one on there. Where did I put it? Oh, right here. So this will go back into this bag. And while I had a little downtime, I did find the other screw. Yay! So I could put this handle on. So what I'm going to do is put this, go ahead and put this handle on this thing. It is saying that we need both of these little screws, a little T-nut, so a little screw through the little hole, and put the little T-nut on there. So for right now, we'll put the little T-nut in, little screw in, and we're just gonna set it at the top of this, kind of eyeball it, where it's in the middle, and then we'll tighten it down. I'm not going to tighten it too much because I don't know if that's where I want to actually. Yay! Lost that one. So gotta get my little wrench back because it went flying. Okay. Tighten this up just a little bit. And that way, if I want to move this thing, it looks like I could just grab it by the handle because that's metal. That's not plastic. That's metal. So, okay, so the next thing is, okay, so we'll go ahead and put that wire on there. Looks like we could just go ahead and put it on. And then we have the last one. Looks like this one goes to the LCD. And then we have two more. They'll run up. This one will run up to something. And then we have one more. After that, they'll run up to something. So, let's see. Where do these go? Let's see where these go. One looks like this. And that matches that. And then this one, I don't know if it should be on this side or on this side. Which side do you think this should be? This side or around and then up, down? Let's see what the book says. Let's see what the book says. It says see cable connections. Yeah, it's going underneath it. It's going under. So it's going actually under and then clipping in. So exactly what we're gonna do. And make sure that these notches match up with the notches on that. Let's see here if we could do this. And clip. Yeah. So they got nice little clips to keep that in place. Oh, nice. Look at that. Oh, there's a little light underneath there. Alright, the clip is in. That clip needs to be onto that one. So don't forget to connect this one to this, because they're branching this off and onto this out. So that's pretty nice. These little clips right here will go onto this once that's on. So, but we could do that in a little bit. Looks like everything is clipped in besides this one and this one. So we'll go ahead and clip this one in. And I'm going to move that because I'll probably be turning this thing kind of sideways. Maybe move this for right now. And let's get this clipped in. Let's get this thing clipped in. So, give me a minute. Yeah. Kind of turn it sideways a little bit so I can see what we're doing. And I should have put this bad boy on first and then screwed it in, but that'll be fine. That's on. Let's clip this little bad boy in. So, alright. So we got that clipped in, and this clipped in now. So, in theory, it all should be ready to go. In theory. Let's go ahead. I'm not going to use this plug. I'll just go ahead and use the one that's actually plugged in. And let's turn it on for the first time. And it works. No blue smoke. Yay! Let's say it goes through the little deals. It says it needs to be leveled. So I'll do the level. It's all touch screen, looks like. So let's go ahead and it says during this blah blah blah, do not touch the Teflon blah blah to the table blah blah blah. Let's see here. Okay, so step 1, minus or increments 1, and then it should be doing something here. Let's take this off. Before it gets down too close. I'm hurrying this thing up. No. Okay, it's not going in all the way. Hold on. Hold on. Don't know exactly how to put this bed back on real quick. Hold on. Just to slide it in. Okay. Just give me a minute. Slide this little bed back in. I turned off the computer because I didn't want it to go all the way down. It's a little tight. Okay. Forgot to take that thing off. Okay. Restart. Level. Do auto leveling. Number 1. Pretty nice. Go level now. This looks like it's getting up to temp. Okay. Guess this is the optic. There's a little red light over there. Let's go ahead and put one of these things on it. That's the reason why I need to get me a camera stand.